In this video, I will show you how to add iFrame to WordPress. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm actually on my page that I want to edit. And in here, I have in here this iFrame from Facebook video that I want to embed. So what I can do is I can head over and copy all of this. And then let's head back right here on a page. And then from this, let's head over and add a new block. So in order to add a new block, let's head over and add a new block right here by just typing this slash or clicking on this plus icon. So when you click on this right here, you can actually search for custom HTML. Now click on this right here, and then it will be added just like this. So let's paste in here the iFrame. You can also click on preview in order to see what it will look like. And as you can see, this is what it will look like right here. So click on the save option right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe again. This helps reach more people. See you soon.